What's going on, guys? It's Coach Bronson here. I got a little rant, something that just bothers me in general that I want to get off my chest. For fitness influencers, people that are in health and fitness, people that are professionals in trying to get people to understand different concepts, methodologies, information, how to apply all this stuff to their daily lives so that they can improve their quality of life. Okay? Please, we need to take a look at the words that we use and how we share information, because I think there's one specific aspect where we're confusing people and we're muddying the waters a little bit. Okay? Particularly in the keto carnivore space, we hear it all the time. We're big in this space on trying to show the difference between the standard American diet and what we're doing. And one of the ways that we do that is by focusing on and explaining how calories are not all the same. Calories are not created equal. There are things involved with the food that we eat and how our body responds to it that are more than just calorie burn. Okay? In that conversation, we talk about all sorts of things. Hormone response, we talk about metabolic flexibility, we talk about oxidative priority, we talk about how there's a difference between protein and what the body uses protein for, and fat and carbs and what the body uses fat and carbs for. There's a lot of different things that go into the realm of calories and macronutrients. At the same time that we're having the conversation about how not all calories are created equal, I still hear people saying, influencers, professionals, talking about needing to be in a caloric deficit in order to lose fat, or needing to be in a caloric surplus to gain muscle. Okay? Bundling calories into a phrase, the phrase caloric deficit or caloric surplus, is not helpful. It does not explain to people or give people practical information that they can use. It's eat more, eat less is what we're saying, which is the problem, the core root of the problem of why we are where we are now. Eat more, eat less, work more, work less. That's so high level, it's not applicable, helpful, tactical. There's nothing about that terminology that helps. Number one. Number two, it is contradictory in concept to what we talk about in this space when we talk about not all calories are created equal. We can't say that that calories are different, that food quality matters, that whole foods versus processed foods matters when it comes to how our body responds to things we put in our mouth, and then turn around and in the next post or next article or next blog or next video talk about, well, you just need to be in a deficit to lose fat. You can't have the conversation on two sides of the coin at the same time. Either calories matter or they don't. Okay? If you want to have the delineation and continue a line of discussion along the path of not all calories are created equal and keep that message true, then we can talk about caloric deficit in the terms of a fuel calorie deficit, and then we can talk about being in a surplus in the terms of being in a functional calorie surplus. Functional calories are protein. They shouldn't even be called calories, but just talk about it, keeping that idea of calories. People want to think about things in calories as an amount. In many cases, people think of calories as an amount. How many calories of something should I have? Okay, so thinking about it in that terms, you need functional calories in order for your body to improve its metabolic function, in order for your body to improve its hormone function, in order for your body to improve its ability to perform, build muscle, and be strong. You need functional calories. That is not the same as fuel calories. You need fuel for your body to burn. The less fuel calories you take in, the more fuel calories you can burn off of your body. They are not the same. Okay? So my recommendation, my hope, my prayer, my message, if you are an influencer, if you are a health and fitness professional, if you are somebody who is out there talking to people about how to improve their metabolic function, their body composition, and their quality of life, stop lumping calories into a term that makes it sound like they're all the same, because we know that they're not. Fuel calories, functional calories. Let's start talking about things that way and see if we can change the dialogue and change the thought process of people to understand what we're saying when we say all calories are not created equal. Okay? Thanks. See you.